You think your problem is a lack of time. You believe working faster and replying quicker is the answer. You're wrong. Your real problem isn't time. It's that your attention is being stolen piece by every notification, every urgent ask, and every emotional demand. Today, that stops. I'm giving you 5 concrete laws to reclaim your focus and your authority. These aren't abstract ideas. They are actionable protocols. The first law starts with a single question that will change how you engage with everything. Is this my problem to solve? Let's begin. You open your phone to a barrage of messages. A colleague's urgent request, a friend's emotional dump, a random question from someone who could have solved it themselves. Your energy is siphoned before your day even begins. You feel obligated to respond. This obligation is a trap. The law: institute a one-question gate. Before any engagement, you must ask one filter question. Is this my problem to solve? The execution: you see the message. You do not touch it. You read it once. You internally ask the filter question. If the answer is no, you close the application. You do not reply. You do not type "got it" or "you'll look later." You implement immediate and total digital silence. If a response is truly required, you use a calibrated pause. You wait a minimum of 90 minutes. Then, you reply only to the actionable call. Please send the data file by 5 p.m. Full stop. No emojis. No buffer words. You provide solution data, not emotional labor. The why. This works because it bypasses the mammalian distress call response and engages the prefrontal cortex, forcing strategic evaluation over emotional reaction. You are in a meeting. A pressure-loaded question is directed at you, designed to force a concession or commitment. The old you would rush to fill the silence, offering a weaker position. Or you receive a manipulative text, dripping with subtext. The old you would engage on their terms, playing defense in their arena. The law: weaponize a 4-second void. In high-stakes communication, the first person to speak after a strategic pause loses frame control. The execution: in person, you hear the pressure-loaded question. You make deliberate, relaxed eye contact. You stay physically still. You count to 4 in your head. 1 1,000. 2 1,000. 3 1,000. 4. Then, and only then, you respond with your predefined script. My position is already clear. Or, you'll need to consult my notes and follow up. For digital messages, you apply the same pause. You see the provocation. You set the phone down. You walk away for 20 minutes. Your reply is always one line. I've noted your message. That doesn't work for me. Please proceed according to the original plan. How many concessions have you made because you were afraid of a little silence? The why. This works because the pause disrupts the attacker's script, projects emotional control, and triggers their insecurity, forcing them to fill the void with reveals or retreats. This leads to the next protocol. Your calendar is public domain. Your time is treated as a communal resource. People assume you are on call, leading to burnout and depreciating your perceived value. Your constant presence makes you background noise. The law: make your presence a scarcity event. You are not a 24/7 convenience store. You are a pop-up gallery. The execution: you block 3 90-minute deep work blocks in your calendar each day, labeled unavailable. You set all communication apps to do not disturb during these blocks. You schedule all meetings on Tuesdays and Thursdays only, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. You do not explain this schedule. You simply link to your booking page. When asked for time outside this window, your script is, I can address that during my next available office hour on Thursday. You repeat it verbatim. You do not negotiate. The why. This works because artificial scarcity, consistently enforced, creates perceived value and trains your environment to respect your time as a limited commodity. You are subjected to a psychological drip feed of negativity. Each scroll is a microtransaction where you pay with focus. The law: execute a digital triage. Categorize and erase without engagement. The execution: you conduct a ruthless audit. Category 1: the obvious enemy. Mute, block, erase. The action is administrative, not emotional. Category 2: the chronic critic. Mute stories and feeds. Reduce their signal to 0. Category 3: the energy parasite, the victim. Restrict their posts from your feed. If confronted, your protocol is a single, rehearsed phrase: "I'm keeping my circle small right now." You deliver it as a neutral fact. You do not debate. You state and disengage. This is a defensive hygiene routine, not an offensive strike. The why: this works because your brain is hardwired to scan for predators, not praise. Every negative notification hacks your survival instinct, forcing you to burn glucose on a threat that doesn't exist. You exploit this bias. By removing the visual cue, you manually recalibrate your brain's threat assessment. You seize back the weighting. There is a higher level. You have emotional triggers. A certain tone, a specific type of criticism, a past failure. These are your pressure points, and the world will find them. Your reaction is a lever others can pull. Indifference is not an emotion. It is a piece of armor you forge daily. The law: identify triggers and discharge them through physical resets. The execution: first, you identify your top 3 emotional triggers. Write them down. For each, you design a daily 5-minute physical reset. For example, if your trigger is disrespectful tone, your reset is: each morning, read 1 paragraph of Seneca on bearing insult. Internalize it. If your trigger is fear of missing out, your reset is: deliberately leave your phone at home for a 1-hour walk. You feel the anxiety. You let it peak. You watch it subside. You are teaching your nervous system that the trigger is not a command. In the moment of provocation, you deploy your physical anchor. Slow your breathing to a 6-second inhale, 6-second exhale cycle. Your single mental script: this is a test of my protocol. The why: this worked because emotional responses are conditioned loops in the nervous system. Consistent physical action without emotional reaction rewires the circuit. You are not managing feelings. You are retraining hardware. Your old strategy was based on a flawed premise that more communication equals more control. You now possess the counter protocols. You are no longer a reactor in their system. You are the architect of your own. You have 5 laws. Your command is to implement 1 today. The attention filter: start there. Silence the noise. Reclaim the bandwidth. This is not about becoming cold. It is about becoming sovereign. Your power was always in the pose you were afraid to take. Take it. The rest is operational detail. For access to the next tier of strategy, the offensive frameworks, secure your position here. This channel is your strategic archive.